welcome back to Sister Forever, and today I am showing you how to make Mediterranean Lamb Shanks. For this, we have the meat, and we have already seasoned the meat with black pepper, salt, rosemary, and garlic powder. And here we have celery, onions, and some garlic cloves, and we have already seasoned it with black pepper and sumac. Now you're going to heat the cooking oil and brown the meat on all sides, 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once you are done browning the meat, you're going to add chopped onions, garlic cloves, and celery in the pot. Add 4 cups of chicken broth to the pot, then cover with lid and cook on low heat until the meat is tender. For the lamb shank, we are cooking our rice in chicken broth in a rice cooker, and meanwhile our rice is cooking. Here we have sliced carrots, pine nuts, and raisins, and we are going to fry them so that we can garnish our rice with them for the lamb shank. Our lamb shank is ready. We are serving it with rice that we cooked in chicken broth. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to try it out, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share with friends and family, and bye guys.